Imagine stepping into a world where you can leave behind the daily grind and embrace a life of abundance. But with so many tempting options, it can be overwhelming to know where to invest your newfound wealth. Today, we're diving into the essentials that will not only elevate your lifestyle, but also ensure you get the most out of every dollar spent. Let's explore the top 15 things you should consider upgrading as soon as you hit it big. 1. Upgrade your self-care. Picture this. You're at a crossroads with your appearance. Something you've always felt could use a bit of tweaking. Now that you have the means, it's time to address those lingering insecurities. Whether it's a cosmetic enhancement or a new pair of glasses, investing in your self-image can boost your confidence and even enhance your earning potential. Studies show that a well-groomed appearance can make a significant difference in your career, improving how others perceive and interact with you. So, go ahead and treat yourself. You'll likely find that these investments pay off in more ways than one. 2. Prioritize your health. With your finances in order, it's crucial to focus on your physical well-being. Investing in a personal trainer or a high-quality gym membership can be transformative. You're not just buying access to exercise, you're investing in a healthier, more energized version of yourself. A well-maintained body not only enhances your quality of life, but also makes enjoying your wealth more fulfilling. Think of it as a way to maximize the returns on your hard-earned money. 3. Enhance your sleep. Ever wake up feeling more tired than when you went to bed? A luxurious mattress and high thread count linens might seem like an extravagance, but they're a worthy investment. Research indicates that we spend a third of our lives sleeping, so why not make those hours as restorative as possible? A good night's sleep improves everything from mood to productivity. Splurge on quality bedding and experience a profound difference in how rested and rejuvenated you feel each morning. 4. Elevate your dining experience. Remember those days of stretching your ramen noodles to the limit? Now that you've got the financial freedom, it's time to upgrade your meals. Quality ingredients can transform your diet from mere sustenance to a pleasurable experience. Opt for high-end ingredients and savor the taste of gourmet meals. This shift isn't just about eating well, it's about fueling your body with the best and enhancing your overall well-being. 5. Streamline your schedule. As your wealth grows, so should your ability to manage your time effectively. The goal here is to clear your calendar of unnecessary tasks and focus on what truly matters. By outsourcing mundane tasks and delegating responsibilities, you can devote more time to creative pursuits or personal relaxation. This approach not only reduces stress, but also allows you to enjoy your success more fully. 6. Choose your location. Location can dramatically affect your quality of life. Moving closer to work or investing in a more desirable neighborhood can make a significant difference. A prime location offers convenience and a better lifestyle. Consider upgrading to a place that aligns with your newfound status and brings you closer to the experiences and opportunities you've always dreamed of. 7. Embrace convenience. With money comes the opportunity to simplify your life. From private flights to having groceries delivered, embracing convenience can significantly enhance your daily routine. These small luxuries save you time and reduce stress, making your life more enjoyable and less cumbersome. 8. Outsource everyday chores. The mundane tasks of daily life can be time-consuming. By hiring help for cleaning or automating bill payments, you free up valuable time to focus on more rewarding activities. This investment in convenience can lead to a more balanced and satisfying life. 9. Invest in family time. Use your resources to enrich your family's life. Whether it's helping with financial burdens or creating memorable experiences together, your wealth can bring joy to those you love. Supporting your family financially or bringing them along on adventures can strengthen bonds and enhance the quality of life for everyone involved. 10. Never stop learning. With more resources, you can now afford to seek out top-tier educators and mentors. Investing in high-quality coaching or specialized knowledge can propel your personal and professional growth, making every dollar spent a step towards greater achievements. 11. Create memorable experiences. Travel and adventure are priceless. Use your wealth to explore new places and try new things. These experiences not only enrich your life, but also create stories that will make you stand out and inspire others. Investing in adventures adds depth to your life and provides invaluable memories. 12. Give back. True wealth is not just about accumulating money. It's about making a positive impact. By investing in charitable causes, you not only help others, but also enrich your own life. Giving back fosters a sense of purpose and fulfillment, making your success even more meaningful. 13. Refine your wardrobe. Invest in timeless, high-quality clothing rather than following fleeting trends. A well-curated wardrobe of classic pieces will not only last longer but also ensure you always look stylish. Quality over quantity is key to building a sophisticated and practical wardrobe. 14. Explore new subscriptions. With financial freedom, you can afford to explore new hobbies and interests through various memberships and subscriptions. Whether it's joining an exclusive club or accessing premium content, these subscriptions can enrich your life and connect you with like-minded individuals. 15. Optimize your taxes. Lastly, managing your wealth efficiently includes understanding how to handle taxes. Explore options like offshore banking or investment strategies to reduce your tax burden. Smart financial planning can help you keep more of what you earn and invest it wisely. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.